Hi everyone, my name is Idil and welcome to my kitchen. In this video we are going to make a great dinner. Together we are going to make some salmon served along with some asparagus. It's great for date night, it's very fast, it's very easy, it's full of protein, and most importantly it's super delicious. So we really need a few ingredients. We are only going to do simple steps, but the deliciousness of it will be amazing. So I'm starting off with the salmon, and to this salmon I'm going to prepare a marinade first. So about a tablespoon of soy sauce, some red pepper flakes, some garlic powder, again about a teaspoon of vinegar. You can use apple vinegar, you can use coconut vinegar, whatever you have on hand, some oregano, some olive oil, and I'm going to write down all these ingredients down in the description box, so in case you forget you can always check it out from there. I'm going to give everything a good mix. And I'm going to pour it over the salmon. I have about 2 fillets here. And when buying salmon, most of the time, 99% of the time, I buy it with the skin on. That way it cooks up much more delicious. So do keep that in mind. Skin on salmon and any type of fish actually is always more tasty. So that's ready. I'm going to put it over here. And for the asparagus, I love asparagus. It's a very, very flavorful vegetable. And you know how to understand where you should eat and where you should toss is that you take it in your hand, you go like this, and this place we don't eat, this place we eat. So I'm going to take it all off. And to that, I'm adding some salt, some black pepper, some olive oil again, and sometimes I add this, sometimes I don't, but I have it on hand. Kumquat goes great, so I'm going to just slice it thinly. Just add it on top of the asparagus, give everything a good mix with my hand, and now I'm going to transfer these to the preheated oven at 200 Celsius degrees, and it's going to keep in there for about 30 minutes. And the only thing that you need to make sure is that you don't overcook your salmon, and 13 minutes, between 13 minutes is actually perfect for a salmon of this size. And what I'm going to do is in the last 5 minutes I'm going to put some capers on top of the asparagus, some flaked almonds so that they're toasted as well, and then it will be ready to serve. After the salmon and the asparagus cooked, I put them on a plate. I put some dill over the salmon. Dill and salmon goes great, keep that in mind. Some lemon wedges, and everything looks great. And because in the last 5 minutes I put the almonds and the capers in the oven as well. The almonds have toasted and everything is looking great now. So first I'm going to taste the salmon. As you can see, it's super soft inside. And keep in mind, you should never overcook your fish. If you overcook it, it's going to dry out, and this is looking perfect right now. Oh, so soft. The marinade that we prepared, it's so simple, but it does give it a great flavor. And I'm going to taste some of the asparagus as well. And the saltiness of the capers, when it meets the sweetness of the kumquats and the crunchiness of the almonds, this is just a great side dish. I want that kumquat. It's so good. The kumquats have been caramelized in the oven and everything really goes great. It's very flavorful. So there you have it, easy, breezy, super delicious, perfect for date nights. I hope you tried. If you do, don't forget to leave your comments and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Hope to see you next time. Bye.